3 years of drought in the Marathwada region in Maharashtra has pushed farmers to the extreme. Faced with the reality of no work, no food and no future, a mother of 5 set herself on fire, leaving behind a grieving family who continues to face the same issues. So far, the region has reported the country's highest rainfall deficit in the current monsoon session. That's about minus 52%. But here you're seeing India's suicide belt, which also shows the other regions across the country which have been hit by drought-like conditions.
These little ones, thankfully unaware, clueless, their mother died a terrible death. Just days ago, Manisha Gatkal, a 40-year-old farmer, doused herself with kerosene and set herself on fire right inside her home in Ambi village in Osmanabad district, killing herself on Raksha Bandhan. What does a farmer's family with 5 children and 2 adults do when yet another drought burns the harvest on your field and there is absolutely nothing whatsoever to eat? Except for these 2 chapatis, still left untouched by the family a week ago. That's all there was to eat. No rice, no flour, no oil. Just empty vessels, hungry stomachs and no source of livelihood.
आणि मी कामावर गेलो, तिने राखेल ओतून आत्महत्या करायचं ठरवलं. आतून कडी लावली घराला.
The family is so poor. Unlike other farmer suicide deaths in Marathwada, they couldn't even take a loan.
राशन तो बहुत थोड़ा मिलता है. राशन ऐसा मिलता है कि राशन 18 किलो गेहूं मिलता है और 12 किलो चावल मिलता है, तो वो तो 12 दिन भी नहीं पुरता है.
Almost in no man's land on the borders of 2 districts, Osmanabad and Solapur, villagers claim the situation acute as there is just no work even under the employment guarantee schemes.
नरेगा का काम जो चालू होता तो काम को जाते और काम को जाते उनका घर चलाते हो. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता वो काम मिला होता तो.
With camera person Suhas Chaudhary in Osmanabad district, this is Tejas Mehta for NDTV. One of the key concerns really is that when is the Maharashtra government led by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis officially going to declare a drought in those regions which are currently experiencing very scanty rainfall. Now, for example, in Marathwada where we are, the deficiency is minus 52%, one of the highest in the country. The Kharif crop has been totally damaged. Drinking water storage in over 800 dams is less than 7%. So the question many are asking is that when is the Maharashtra government going to declare this drought? Now, I spoke to Mr. Fadnavis and he told that that by September 15th they will be submitting a final report to the centre. A central team had already visited Marathwada some time back. They will make their assessment and then the Maharashtra government, the cut-off date is September 15th. Now this particular date is immaterial of which government is there. It is connected more with the withdrawal of the monsoon and to get a proper analysis of the assessment of what sort of impact the monsoon has had on farmers, and therefore based on that final report they can get a package from the centre. The package is of course the key bit, the key difference is that they can get thousands and thousands of crores from the centre. But the argument which is being put forth by the opposition is that why can't the Maharashtra government prepone that entire that process. One doesn't have to stick to bureaucracy or red tape here. One has got to take proactive action. That's one question being asked, but the argument given is that they want a proper assessment of the situation, because if it does not rain at all now anymore, in fact it's quite cloudy here, it has been raining in the past few days, they want to get a proper assessment, and that's exactly why it's being held back until September 15th.